Just using some cardboard to fab up that little piece that's missing. I don't know why they cut it off. I think it's probably rubbing and they just figured they'll just cut it off and not worry about it. But that's kind of a hacked up way to do it. So we're gonna weld it back on. We're gonna fab up that piece and put it on. I don't think that's gonna cut it. Where's the red thingy?
Is that under you?
Throw it here, man. Mira, empieza como por ahí, and then we'll just work our way up. Still goes through. Ah! Go for it. Time to grind and some Bondo, primer, y ya estuvo. That's it. He's got the Bondo. Can't even tell. Perfect. Okay. Well, car's ready. It's already been prepped. We'll be going to the paint booth and let's see what happens. Wish us luck. See how she turns out. Looks all goobered with those two eyes. Oh look, it's a Yugo, I think. Project is done. The GTI got new paint and it's all together now. We did a color sand on the whole paint job. Now it looks like glass. Oh, I'm sorry, mirror. It used to look like glass, now it looks like a mirror. I can see myself in the reflection. There I am. Pretty damn good, if I do say so myself. There we go. We got the emblems. We've got the smoke taillights. You know we have to do that. I like it. This is what you call a $500 paint job. That includes the painting booth, the $8 Tool Harbor paint gun. It was on sale. I actually got 3 of them, and one of them I just threw through the garbage because it costs more to clean it than to just get another one. So yeah, it's in the garbage. Anyways, project is done.